Okay, today we went to Ross.
Yes for less.
And we got keycaps.
For our keyboard.
Yeah, and this is and we got SpongeBob,
And we got Stitch.
aka SpongeBob. I just call it SpongeBob. And
it comes with 12 keycaps.
14, I think.
No, 12.
I don't know.
We both get 12.
But this is a normal keyboard.
Boring.
And we're gonna try it on.
Finally, my keycaps. Yikes! Me drop the keycap
got
on accident. Me drop the keycap on accident. Me drop the keycap on accident.
Got it. Oh, and there's instructions.
Is there instructions in mine?
I don't know.
Where did you put that?
We got the mewing Squidward. He's God.
No Squidward.
And we got
Cashier.
we got mewing Squidward. He's gonna be my Q, aka running in Minecraft. And this is gonna be my W, aka walking. And this is gonna be my space bar, aka jumping. And yeah, I don't know what is this kind of. And
enter, and yours is exit.
And this one is gonna be my E, yeah. And yeah, I don't know all of them, but I don't know one of these, but we got.
This is gonna be my space bar, my space bar, aka jumping. This is gonna be my enter, aka after you put your password. This is gonna be my 1. This is gonna be my 2. This is gonna be my 3. This is gonna be my 4, and this is gonna be my W, X, Y, Z, and I don't want a lot of numbers. So this one is. I just noticed these two are like the same. This is gonna be my out. This is the first letter of my name, and he's doing a winky eye. And he's in love. In love with, I don't know her name.
And we got Squidward. We got SpongeBob. We got other SpongeBob, and we got Patrick, and we got other Patrick, and then we got, I forgot his name, but yeah.
Krusty Krab.
Oh, no, that's the we got Patrick. We got Squidward.
We got Stitch dancing.
We got SpongeBob.
We got Stitch in
Patrick.
love.
We got Patrick.
We got Stitch.
One at a time.
We got Stitch singing a ukulele, a guitar.
Good.
Patrick.
We got Stitch dancing with the disco ball. We got Stitch dancing
Mr.
with
Crab.
the. We got
SpongeBob again.
We got Stitch taking out his tongue.
And then we got Patrick.
And we got Aloha.
Yeah. These are for my gaming pressing ones. But we got Imagination. And
We
then
got
Backspace.
Stitch with a
Backspace.
pineapple.
We got Squidward mewing. Shy.
We got Angel
We got
having bananas.
I forgot his name. Doodle Bob, I forgot.
We
And Caveman SpongeBob.
We
He's a
got
meme.
we got Stitch upside down.
Oh, yeah, and
He's
the-
doing a winky eye face.
And the other meme.
That's all I got.
And this is gonna how it. This is how it looks like before, and this is gonna how it looks like after.
That's how it looks.
Yes. Okay.
So
Oh, this keyboard doesn't work because we just
we
measure
measure
it.
it and it's too long.
And
And
please
you-
don't use this one.
Yeah, use a normal keyboard.
Yes, this fits.
Yeah.
But,
Let's go
and if you want to even
use
this,
two paper clips.
yeah, if you want. It's not my choice, but this. Yeah.
And no, I think I broke my keyboard.
Actually, we tried four different keyboards, and they all didn't work. We tried this one, and even one of them.
So if
they're
you see
old.
these keycaps, don't buy them. One
Oh,
star
um,
review.
On Yelp, but if you do have one of these,
Yeah,
these,
like the
keyboards,
keyboards that you're supposed to put
Yeah.
the keycaps on.
yeah, like this one,
Yeah.
that one, you could buy them.
Yeah.
but ours just doesn't work.
It doesn't say which kind of keyboard
Yeah.
you use, so bad.
Bad review on
Yeah.
Yelp, bro. 1 star review on
Yeah.
Yelp.
Yeah, 1 star review on Yelp.
Mhm.
If you try it on a laptop, you just break your laptop.
I mean, subscribe and like.
So we're gonna see this when in the
We're-
future,
in the
or
future-
in the when we're adults.
No, because that's not gonna exist.
That's it.
But we're gonna probably when I turn 10, I'm probably gonna get one of those keyboards. So I'm gonna say this. One day we're gonna get the keyboards that we actually need. But these are cool, I gotta say. And like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
1 star on Yelp.
Yeah.
Bye.
I turned 10 and my SpongeBob keycaps work, and I guess 10 is for the imagination number.
SpongeBob.
Bye.
Chevy?
Like and subscribe.
SpongeBob's chocolate. Yeah.